What's up, athletes? I welcome you to this lower body workout with resistance band by KureFit. This is Rahul here, and I'm going to guide you through these fun workouts. I am sure you're gonna feel a nice burn in your muscle and in the process growing stronger. Really excited to bring you these 5 handpicked workout movements. I will be performing all of them for 40 seconds with 20-second rest in between. The best part is that you just need a resistance band and you can perform all these workout movements anywhere, even when you are traveling or from the comfort of your homes. Fitness is something that all of us should make a part of our lives. For all of you watching this video, join me through these home workout movements and I will make sure that you will feel amazing at the end of this workout. Without any delay, let's begin our workout. Alright guys, moving on to our first movement, we have banded good mornings, which is going to target your lower back, hamstring. Yeah, I'm going to set this movement up for you. You're going to get the band. You're going to use a lighter resistance band, which is 15 kilo. Starting from here, you're going to get the weight, get the band just below your feet. Your feet stays just below your hips. Starting from here, you're going to lock the band on your shoulders. Yeah, from here, you're going to hinge your hip back, keeping your knees softly bent, getting that nice stretch on your hamstring. And then you're going to come up, extend and squeeze your glutes. You're going to perform this movement for 40 seconds. Let's begin in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. A nice hinge at your hip, dropping your upper body, getting that stretch on your hamstring. Back again. Keep moving for 40 seconds. Keep your knees softly bent, hinge at your hip, feeling that stretch on your hamstring, engaging your lower back, your glutes, your hamstring for 40 seconds, just with a resistance band. Keep moving, guys. Few more seconds to go. A good hinge at your hip. Few more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Wow. Alright guys, let's move on to the second movement. We have banded squats, which is again going to target your core and lower body. Starting from here, you're going to get the band just below your feet. Your feet stays shoulder width stance. From here, you're going to lock the band on your shoulders. From here, you're going to take your hip back as much as you could, squat with full range of motion, come up. Alright, you're going to perform this movement for 40 seconds. Starting in 3, 2, 1, let's go. A good range of squat, come up. A good range of squat, take a control over the band and perform the movement for 40 good seconds, hitting as many reps as possible. Come on, let's do this. Together, getting strong. Let's move strong. Focus on that form, hinging at your hip, squatting as low as possible, coming up using that resistance. Keep moving for 40 seconds. Inhale when you go down, exhale when you come up. Keep moving, guys. Almost there. Hitting as many reps as possible in 3, 2, 1. We are done. Whoa. Right after good mornings, moving on to the banded squats, targeting your lower body. You will definitely feel that burn. Alright guys, let's move on to the third movement. We have banded deadlifts, which is going to target your lower back, core, hamstring and your glutes. One single movement with a resistance band, engaging too many muscle groups. What a great movement, what a great workout. Just focus on the form. Alright guys, you're gonna get both the layers of the resistance just below your feet. Your feet stays just below your hip. Starting from here, you're gonna hold the resistance band. You're gonna hinge your hip, drop your upper body, keeping your knees bent, softly bent. From here, you're gonna extend. You're gonna extend your knees and hip. Alright, we will perform this movement for 40 seconds. Starting in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hinge at your hip, bend your upper body, come up, extend your knees and hip and squeeze your glutes. 40 seconds, keep moving. 1, 2, count your reps. 3, 4. The first movement was good mornings, and then hitting a lower body with resistance band squats, and then back again to deadlift which is targeting your lower body. You're going to feel the intensity. The first round, just take it easy, get comfortable with the movements, and then slowly you can pick up the pace. Keep your spine straight, keep moving for 40 seconds. Last few seconds, 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Whoa. All right guys, let's move on to the fourth movement without any delay. We have banded sumo squats, which is again going to target your inner thighs, glutes, and your core. The movement is, you're going to place your feet wider than your shoulder, your toes pointing outside. From here, you're going to lock the band on your shoulders. You're going to push your hip back as much as you can, squat, and then you're going to come up, squeeze your glutes. All right, with two different variations. The second movement was squats. This is going to be a sumo squats, which is going to target your inner thighs. All right, let's begin in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1 for 40 seconds, as many reps as possible, just using your resistance band, getting a great workout. Nothing like it, guys. Come on, let's go. Together, let's finish this workout strong. Inhale when you go down, exhale when you complete the movement. Keep moving, hitting as many reps as possible. What a great workout. What a great movement with the resistance band. Let's do this. Let's move together. Let's move strong. And we are done. Whoa. All right, guys. All 4 movements targeting your lower body with the resistance band. Before we move on to the last movement, I invite you onto the CureFit app and try out a CureFit Live. Here you can work out with many more trainers like me who will guide you in your fitness journey. If you download the app through the link in the description or the first comment below, you will get a free access of 14 days. Alright guys, the 5th one is going to be for your midsection, which is mountain climbers, which is going to get your heart rate a bit high. Yeah, I'm going to set this up for you. You're going to get into that high plank position. From here, you're going to bring your knee close to your chest, and then you're going to switch side. Try not to sink your hip down nor lift your hip too high. Maintain that one straight line and perform the movement, more of a controlled movement. Alright, let's perform this for 40 seconds in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep breathing. Very important. Helps you survive the movement for 40 seconds. Just stay focused. Keep moving, guys. Bring your knees close to your chest as fast as you can. We are almost there. This movement gets your heart rate a bit high since you've been using the speed. Come on guys, let's do this. Let's finish this strong together. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Whoa, we are done with this home workout. Add this to your personal playlist and come back and do these kind of workouts 4 to 5 times a week for a month. You can repeat the rounds of the workout and perform 3 to 4 rounds to increase the intensity. This will help you get leaner and stronger. Let us know in the comments below how you found this workout. Stay tuned to our CureFit YouTube channel. Like the video, share it across with your friends and family. Save the video either in watch later or create a new personal playlist. Subscribe to CureFit channel if you haven't already. And hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Cheers guys.